up here.
Yeah,
And look at that.
same kind of
We have an
cup
emoji, but
cup of Joe pattern there. The
cup of
and
Joe.
handle.
That's what we call it. Like that's our
Yeah.
Maxi pattern, like we call it. But you can see how clean our indicators. How helpful it's been. You
Yeah.
see, it flipped. If it showed us, it showed us, or it signaled that Microsoft was in a bear trend, and it topped out. This was way back in 2022,
Yeah.
and then it kept dropping.
Yeah,
when
using the strength band as the resistance level, so it would retest up
exactly
to the band and then get rejected until finally
get rejected here, and it was confirmed because the strength band color matched the print, so you
Mhm.
can see it's red here to match it. So therefore, it was confirmed, and then it's been bull ever since this early 2023, and
Yeah,
it's just been on a tear.
it's
And
probably
guess
around
what? This is
April or so.
also like Max is saying, this is also in a clean like cup and handle, cup of Joe pattern.
Yeah, and even then,
And
look at the handle. It's just like bouncing, finding support right on the strength band, and breaking out from there, which
yeah,
is like that's very bullish. Like that looks like
super bullish.
indeed we're
And the
gonna see the
target,
target. Yeah,
yeah, the estimated target is
460.
like around 460. And like we said, it's not going to just go shoot up in one line, but my guess is that we see it sometime next year for sure.
Yeah, sometime probably like
Um,
Q1, Q2 of next year, we'll see it get to
exactly.
there, and then
So
that's
so
similar.
yeah,
It's similar to kind of like when we were charting the head and shoulder pattern not too long ago, where we drew out the line, the target, and then the front price kind of like
yeah,
jaggedly made it to the target, and then actually has come back up since then. But it did hit the target, and
it hit our target.
that's
Like
that's
if
what
you go back
these
to our
yeah
earlier video, exactly like you said, it hit the measured target.
Yeah, and that's what
And
these fundamental or these technical analysis patterns are great for that. Where it's like, okay, we see it going up, and we see these signals are very bullish, but where should we take profit? And that's what we're going to
yeah,
use, like this cup and handle pattern, to kind of identify, like, okay, 460 a share. That's a great place to start taking profit,
exactly,
even
for
if
long
our
term, yeah.
technicals are still in like a good market. It's like, well, let's finish off this play, which this play is based on the cup and handle, and then we can move in and like assess the next one. And so, you don't necessarily have to know all these things when you're just using the indicator, but that's the other part
Yeah,
of, when we're talking about this stuff in our Discord or in our videos, for example, we always kind of touch on all those kind of things and try to
the
give at least,
technicalities, how we chart it, because like exactly like you said, like even if you don't know all that, you can just use the indicator,
yeah,
and all you need to do is like follow the bear and red means down, green and bull means up. It's as simple as that.
yeah, exactly.
It's like you don't need any like technicalities and all that. But here at Maxi, we look to also like it. Our
Yeah, the
goal is
idea
also
is
to educate.
you should know
Uh,
why are we expecting the price to go to 460. Well, here's the technical like analysis of a cup and handle pattern,
yeah,
the base of the cup to the brim of it giving us that target, and therefore 460 is kind of what we're looking at as an exit price for this play.
exactly. And it's like an approximation.
Exactly.
It's not like exactly it's gonna like top off right there, but the probability of it doing so is very high,
Yeah.
because these patterns do generally tend to play out. Like we were tracking this cup and handle pattern for Microsoft when the price was actually in the channel even before the
Yeah.
breakout,
Exactly.
and we had shared it with our Discord members like months ago when I think it was still here and it was still bouncing. That
Yeah.
like, hey, let's keep an eye on this. If it breaks out, it confirms. So
Yeah.
and exactly that, like it happened a few weeks ago. It broke out. So now it's confirmed. So people
Feels good.
out here in anticipation would have started scaling in within the channel before the breakout.
Yeah.
So we're all at profit. But this was already bull way back in the beginning of the year. So for long-term traders, if you'd held it here when you got a bull and a green signal, you're at massive profit
Yeah,
from here. You're
you're
like
fine,
close to
just
like,
fine.
I don't know how much percentage that is, but like close
See.
to like double your money maybe.
Yeah, you're getting in
you
there.
know
Definitely,
Yeah,
if we make it
getting
to
there. Yeah.
460, you'll be there.
Oh yeah, you
Yeah.
gotta double your money.